hello there. I couldn't see you there with my tiny face. Hey everyone, I bet you didn't recognize me. It's Laynie. I had nothing better to do because, you know, quarantine and it's raining outside, so I really couldn't even get out and enjoy the weather, so I thought, why not test out the tiny face challenge? If you don't know what the tiny face challenge is, it was started by Jamie French. She is an amazing YouTuber. If you haven't checked her out, I will put her down below. You have to watch her original video. It is hilarious. I literally laughed my butt off. Like, I could not stop laughing. I was laughing so hard I was crying. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's where you try to create a little tiny face on your face. Right now, as I'm showing this, you might not see it. And then I do this, and then you see it, right? You see what I'm talking about? The tiny face? Anyways, if you want to see me ride the struggle bus to try to get this look, then just keep watching. The best thing to do is start with the base. I hope that's the best thing to do. We'll see. We'll find out. A little bit of and a little bit of If I'm remembering correctly, she just left the eyes like normal. So I'm going to go ahead, jazz up the eyes a little bit, get those ready, and then we will focus on what's really going to make this look like a small face. I don't fully know how I'm going to get this look accomplished, so I don't want to set too much at this point, but I am going to just set right under the eyes so I don't get creasy before we get farther in this process. So here we go. Just a little dab will do it. So I've been trying to use up this Huda Beauty palette, so I've actually been using it for my eyebrows. I know. And I think for the eyes, I'm going to go real simple and just go in with some bronzer. And because I'm already in this, I might just use this, the highlight, and really pounce it right onto the center of the lid for a little bit of a halo eye, like a soft halo spotlight eye. Whatever you want to call it. See, I have balance in life. Coffee, water. Coffee, water. Even though the lips are like the emphasis of this look and what really make it look like a little face, I do feel like Jamie's eyes really popped in the look, so I am going to go in with some liners just because I feel like right now my eyes are kind of getting lost in translation here. Was she wearing falsies? I feel like she was. Let's take a peek. Oh, definitely, girl. You're wearing falsies, so I better put some falsies on. I like to prep my lashes with a little bit of mascara. Lash glue. I've been loving this one. Get a lot of the extra product off the wand and get it as close to the lash line as possible. Not too close. It will go on your eyes and it'll burn like you know what. And now the fun shall begin. We have to create a nose on my nose and lips on my nose. Oh, I don't know how to do that. Nostrils. How does one do nostrils? My nose is nowhere near as good as Jamie's, but you can kind of tell it's a nose, right? Okay, we're going to leave it at that for now. We'll see. We'll see, okay. Liquid lipstick time. Going to apply it with a brush. I think it'll be a little bit easier to control where it goes. I don't think this lipstick is opaque enough. Yeah, this one is too creamy. I need something that's more of like a very dry down kind of matte liquid lipstick. Let's try NARS. Then I feel like it needs a little bit of outlining again. Jimmy, I don't know how you made this look so easy or so good. Like, yours looks so freaking good. And then I feel like what really made hers pop was the fact that she like made her face look smaller. Then because I'm extra. And then I feel like blush is what will really help bring the emphasis here. Oh man. Oh! I see it now! That was the first time I saw it. It just hit me. Definitely having the scarf go up in the ears a little bit makes a difference, but how do you get it to stay there? I'm getting lipstick all on my scarf. Dang it, the scarf is what's here we go. Hi. I see it. Do you guys see it? I see it now. I see it. I gotta try. What if I accidentally actually snorted it up my nose? That'd be really bad. Hi. Hello. Alright guys, this is as good as it's gonna get. Oh, I need to learn to move my nostrils. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you try the tiny face challenge, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram. You know I want to check it out. Well guys, that's everything for today. As always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.